Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by macerating the apples so they collapse and sweeten. This concentrates flavor. Mix 1 cup diced apple with 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 tsp cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, then let sit 10-15 minutes. Once done, drain excess liquid. You want moist fruit, not soggy. Meanwhile, roll and cut your pastry into rectangles so each will hold about 2-3 tablespoon filling. Make sure to keep pastry cold. Cold dough seals better and crisps when cooked. You now assemble to trap steam and create flaky layers. Spoon 2-3 tablespoon filling onto each pastry rectangle, leaving a 1/2 cm border. Once placed, brush the edges with beaten egg so the seal holds. Fold and crimp the edges firmly with a fork. Pierce 2 small vents on top so steam escapes evenly while cooking. Once done, chill the pies 10 minutes to firm the seal and reduce oil absorption. Make sure to keep them refrigerated until the oil or oven is ready. You're at the finish line. Cook for crisp, golden results. For authentic texture, shallow fry in oil at 180 degrees C for about 2-3 minutes per side until deep golden. Alternatively, bake at 180 degrees C for 20-25 minutes. Once done, drain on paper towels and rest 2 minutes so filling sets. Dust with sugar if you like extra sweetness. If your filling turns soggy, make sure to reheat briefly at high heat to evaporate excess moisture. This will restore a crisper crust and prevent a gummy center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.